All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 22,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior, premium AM/FM stereo system. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. NLC curbing. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 732. This door looks good. This quarter does have, oh, well, this door does have a thing there, another one there, a chip there, another chip there, some scratches. Some dents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, got a hip scratch here, 3, 6, another small one there, about 2. That pretty much completes the tour for around here. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. Tire thread, under 432. It's actually, just at the line. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Let me jump into the seat, turn on for you guys. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Matter of fact, I got the owner's manuals right here.
For today, that comes one.
Owner's manuals right there. Boom. Got your AM/FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Pow. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 22,642. It does have a tire pressure light on. About it. Keep it moving. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty decent. Does have a little dent right there. All right. The side of the door looks pretty good. This one here does have a dent right there, as you can see it. I got some scratches here, very minimum. They are there. My man already brought me my ladder. Go ahead and walk up there. Boom. And up here, I do not see any dings, dents, or anything up there. This little side here is missing, but that is about it. The rest of it looks pretty darn good, I must say. All right. That's that. Let me move this ladder. This is what your cargo area looks like. Very, very nice. Boom. This wheel well molding looks pretty good. Does have some dings back there. Likewise here, some dings back there. Looks pretty clean on this side, but on the other side it does have some dents. This looks pretty good. Does have a few things here. It's got a cracking here in this corner. That's from people putting too much cargo in here and pushing this door closed so that it closes on whatever they have loaded up back there. This one here looks pretty good. No cracking on this side. That looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a heavy scratch right here, as you can see it. Here's your rear passenger rim. Tire thread under 432. Have a dent here. See it? See if we can see it. Boom. Dent right here. It's actually hit here in the middle here. So it has a dent down here and one up here from that. Likewise on the door, you can actually see it crinkled right there. All right. This is your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Let me open up this side cargo area so you guys can take a look at this. And you see the door opens and closes pretty good. I don't see any problems. You see it closes very nice. There are some dings here from the inside of the bay out. Here's your I did show you that. I showed you that dent. It's a heavy little scratch there. This fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Your tire thread under 432 as well. Lights are working, car is on, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2018 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 22,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.